what is basically CRM software?
Right. So marketing automation softwares are used by the digital marketing team.
Okay.
Whereas a CRM solution, a CRM software is used by the sales team. And in the sales team, there's two types of sales team. There's a field sales team and there's an inside sales team. So both of these field sales and inside sales teams use the CRM software.
Okay. And so what I understood from this is it is like coming to a lead and then passing it to the team who are managing CRM, relationship management or something, like forwarding it to them. So it is like that.
The objective of marketing is to generate leads. Once the marketing team generates the lead, they send it to the sales team, and the sales team takes the lead and does, might talk to the lead, or might nurture the lead, or might qualify the lead. So those are all things that can be done using the CRM software, and they can be tracked in the CRM software. CRM stands for customer relationship management, and the CRM software is a software solution that tracks all the activities that your sales team does, or your other, even your other teams in your organization, like the service teams and the fulfillment teams do, related to customers.
Okay. So what kind of businesses need these kind of CRM software?
So if your sales team is very small, like just one or two people, then you can get by with using Google Sheets or Excel as a hacked up CRM solution. But if you have a sales team and your sales team is around 5 people, at that level you need some kind of a professional CRM software, because at that level it starts to become first of all, it starts to become very inefficient use of the salespeople time. So the salespeople time is very expensive, because they are, what you want them to do is sell your products and services, and you want them to be out in the, be talking to customers. If a salesperson is using a software solution that is taking a lot of their time, then it is just wasting their expensive time. And a CRM helps increase the efficiency and productivity of the salespeople. Secondly, without a professional CRM system and just relying on spreadsheets, it becomes very hard to collate the reports, the sales reports. So for example, in sales, data is very, very important, and you want to track the data about the leads, about the conversation activities, about the conversion rates and all of that, and you want to do it across salespeople, across your different regions and branches. And aggregating and collating all those reporting data without a professional CRM system becomes very, very hard, because salespeople by nature are very territorial. Means, uh, they're very possessive about their leads. So what happens is, typically in a sales team setup, is that every salesperson would track their leads in their own sheet, because they don't want other salespeople to see their leads, right? And so if you have 5 salespeople, you would end up having 5 sheets.
Right.
And you, as a business owner, you might have access to all of those sheets, but then just imagine the time it takes to aggregate and collate the report, the data from all those 5 sheets in one place, and that's a lot of time wastage of your or your sales manager's critical time.
Okay, so this is something very interesting. And what kind of benefits and results businesses get from the software?
So first of all, it helps you increase your lead conversion rates. So it helps you close leads faster, and it helps you close more leads. And it does this by increasing the efficiency of your sales team, and also by improving your processes. So for example, without a CRM system, what might happen is that every salesperson is doing their own thing. They're doing things their own way. But once you have a CRM system, the CRM system would help implement certain best practices. So for example, a best practice might be do at least 13 follow-ups on a lead before giving up. So you can start implementing those best practices. Another best practice can be that follow up on multiple channels, like use email and WhatsApp and LinkedIn and phone call. So can try to connect with the customer or the lead in multiple channels. So a CRM can help implement these best practices, the CRM can help get the data of the activities where you can analyze whether these best practices can be implemented, and all these things put together, they help in improving the sales process, which helps in improving the rate at which deals are closing and the conversion rates.
Okay. Can you name few of the softwares?
A few of the well-known CRM softwares there are the Salesforce. So Salesforce is the most well-known and biggest CRM software company in the world. And then, some of the other well-known ones are HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics CRM is there. A easy to use CRM is Pipedrive, which is limited to lead management. It doesn't do a lot of the things like quotations or order management, but it's very easy to use in what it does. And then we also have Orgzit, our own product.
So is CRM only for lead management?
There is this misconception in the market and in the minds of many customers of CRM that CRM is only for lead management. But this is not true. So, lead management or sales pipeline management is a very important part of CRM, and the CRM helps to close more leads. But a CRM is much more. A CRM helps track all the historical activities that we do with the customer. So, for example, a CRM, one of the many companies, especially in the B2B industry, they generate quotations. They send quotations to their customers, and creating quotation and sending it to the customers is also part of the CRM. Then once the quotation converts to an order, tracking that order up till the fulfillment is also part of the CRM. Then once the order is fulfilled, there is a service part that, let's say you buy a car, but once you have bought a car, you also have to do regular service activities. So tracking the service of your products and services after the sales is also something that is done by the CRM system.